Hi everybody, my name is Sarah, and in this video I'll show you how to create electrical plans in RoomSketcher. So RoomSketcher has more than 250 electrical symbols, so I'm sure you'll find what you need to create clear and thorough electrical floor plans. Let's get started. To access your web portal, go to app.roomsketcher.com and sign in. Think of the web portal as your hub. This is always where you should start a new project, plus this is where we add all our new functionality moving forward. From here, you can download the RoomSketcher app to your computer or tablet, and think of the RoomSketcher app as your floor plan editor. This is where you will add your electrical symbols. Right, so if you already have a project where you want to add in symbols, just go ahead and open that project. If you don't already have a project, just click on New Project and create your project first. I already have a project I need to add symbols to, so I'll click Projects and open this one that I created earlier. Click Edit Floor and edit an app to open it in the RoomSketcher app. Now the first thing we'll do before we proceed is ensure that our furniture library is up to date so we can access all the available symbols for our electrical plans. Click the human icon in the bottom left, select Tools and Preferences, turn on Live Update of Furniture Library, and then restart the app if prompted. Okay, back in the work area, this is the plan we will use as the base, but I want to keep the original untouched. We can create a copy of this layout using levels. In RoomSketcher, a level is like a floor. I will head up to the levels icon and then select New Level. I want the entire project to be copied with furniture and fixed installations, so I'll make sure to check the Include Furniture box and then select the level I want to copy. Now let's rename this level before we flip it. Head to Levels, Project Properties, rename it to Electrical Plan. I'll also rename my original layout to Original so we know this is the original plan. Now we're ready to add our electrical items. In RoomSketcher, all the electrical symbols are actually placed under Furniture. So go to the Mode button and select Furniture Mode. These symbols will only show up in your 2D floor plans. Categories to explore are electrical plans and HVAC. Just drag and drop symbols like switches, ceiling lights, and power outlets. Each item you place can be resized using the arrows on it or by using the panel on the right. If you're using the same symbol many times, you can use your keyboard shortcuts to speed up the process. You can copy and paste using Ctrl-C and Ctrl-V on a Windows computer and Command-C and Command-V for Apple computers. Now I have all the symbols needed, I'll head to Windows, etc. mode. And for a lot of people, when you head over to Windows, etc. mode, you may not see your furniture anymore. You can fix that easily by heading over to the orange hamburger menu and under View, select Always Furniture. Coming back to Windows, etc., you will see a category named Symbol, Text, and Lines. You can use any of these symbols to further enhance your electrical plans. For example, I'll use the arrow symbol to mark out certain features on my plan. Then I'll scroll all the way down to find the text label, which looks like an ABC sticker. This text label can be used for any kind of notes or labels you need in your plan. So I will place it, then edit it by changing the text box on the right. Then there are some manual measuring tools here. If you need to specify or check the distance between two items, for example, two switches, or the distance between an outlet and its intended appliance, just drag and drop it in and adjust it using the arrows. With that, I'm done with both layers of my plan. So let's preview what these will look like before we generate them. If you have several levels, go to the hamburger menu, click 2D floor plans, and then preview them all from there. This way, you don't have to open each level in the work area before you can preview them. Check them all, and if they look good, click Generate 2D Floor Plan. Now that we've generated our electrical plans, I'll close down the app and head over to the web portal. Here are my floor plans, and I just click up here to download them. If you want both of your levels on the same page, remember to choose the letterhead combined option. And that's it. As you can see, it's easy to work with electrical plans in RoomSketcher. I hope this was helpful and that you feel ready to start creating your electrical floor plans. And remember to reach out to us at support@roomsketcher.com for any questions you might have. Good luck with your project, and thanks for watching.